Right, Movano needs at least £1,200 in euros to go on a visit to Spain, right? When she goes to the bank, she finds that the lowest euro note the bank will give her is €10 note, and then you've got the exchange rate. What is the least number of euros that Movano buys to ensure that she has at least £1,200 worth, and how much did she pay for them? Now, you might read that question and think, well, it says here how much did she pay for them. You might think, well, she's going to pay 1,200 for them, yeah? Because that's what seems to be coming up here, that number 1,200. However, okay, it's not going to be as simple as that, right? If you read quite carefully here, right, that word there, she needs at least £1,200 in euros. Okay, she could actually get more than 1,200. Right? There's nothing stopping her from getting more than 1,200. The main thing is she's got at least 1,200. She can't have anything less than 1,200. Because if she has less than 1,200, she won't have enough money to go. So the first thing I would do is actually use the exchange rate here, right, to work out what £1,200 is going to be in euros. And of course, to change to euros, you multiply, okay? So we are going to multiply 1,200 by the exchange rate, which is 1.19. Okay, when you change to a foreign currency, you multiply. So I'll do that on my calculator. And that will be 1428. Okay, 1428 euros. Okay. Now, because this question now, it doesn't end here, right? It's worth 5 marks, right? There's obviously a bit more to it, and there is a problem, isn't there, with it, because it says there, when she goes to the bank, she finds the lowest euro note they will give out is €10 notes. Okay, so in other words, they haven't got all the money there. They haven't got coins, right? They don't mention coins here, don't they? But they haven't got. The lowest note they've got is 10 euros. Okay, in tens. They haven't got anything less than tens. So if you think about it, there's no way the bank could give this out, isn't there, to her? They can't give her 1,428 euros, right? So if she gives the bank £1,200, they can't actually give this to her, all right? Because they haven't got coins, they haven't got €5 notes, they've only got €10 notes, okay? Or the lowest is €10 notes. So we've got to think now, what could we do with this here, all right? What could we do with this? Should we think about rounding it, yeah? Now, rounding it is the best approach. You need to think now, which way should we round it? Should we round up or down? All right, there's 2 ways to round, and then we could think about this rounding up to 1430, or we could actually round it down, okay? I know this is further away, 1420, okay? But that's the option she's got, isn't she? The bank could pay her that amount, or the bank could pay her this amount. Which one should she go for? Okay. Well, the key to realizing is that she needs at least €1,200. If she asked them to give her this amount, for the bank to give her this amount, she actually will have less than 1,428, which means she'll actually have less than 1,200. So the option she should go for is this. She should say to the bank, okay, well, if you haven't got coins or €5 notes, give me 1,430. Okay. So it says here, how much does she need to buy to insure? So we say that she needs to buy 1,430 euros from the bank, okay? And now, in order to work out what that is in terms of pounds, if you think about it, because it's more than this, slightly more, in terms of pounds, it's going to be slightly more than this, isn't it? Okay, but we can work it out exactly. To change back this now into pounds, you divide, okay? Of course, when you change it back to your own currency, you divide, and you do the opposite of what we did before, just timesing, and now we divide. So we divide that by 1.19, and that comes out to be, you've got quite a nasty looking answer, right? But there's nothing wrong with that. You can just, in pounds, £1,201, and of course you need to put pennies as well, right? You need to round it 2 decimal places, so you have the pennies there. So she'll need to buy this, and she will pay £1,201.68. If she pays this, then the bank then will give her this, and she's guaranteed then to take at least €1,200 with her. In fact, she'll take a little bit more, won't she?